What's up, guys? I'm back, and today I'm gonna finally open up the laser. All right, I cut it open. Now let's see what's in the box. Got a quick start guide. We'll check that out in a minute. We got some safety instructions. Come back to that one too. There's some foam. I know everybody's excited about foam. Uh-oh. About to see it. Look at all this foam. They package it very well. All right, there's some more boxes in here. Let's see. Got this box. This is a heavier box than that big one. This one's lighter. And another one. And then the laser engraver's in there. All right, let's open these other boxes real quick first. And then we'll get the engraver out. Let's see, what do we have here? Looks like a power cord. Yep, and USB cord and power cord. That was in that box. Now let's check this one. This is the heavier box. Let's see. There we go. That looks like a power supply that the cord goes to. Let's see what's in this one. We got, some wood and some plastic, dog tag. Nice. I didn't think that it was going to come with any kind of testing material, but that's nice. This looks like the cutting plate, so that way you don't cut the other plate. Now let's see what's in this one. Okay, now here is some safety stuff. Well, a screwdriver and a lens wiping cloth. There's some Peng Sheng, some sort of lube. At least, pretty sure that's what that is. And here we have our exhaust vent. So, now that we've got all of those opened, let's get these boxes out of the way. And it's time for the main attraction. Let's see. Oh, it's heavier than I thought. There she is. Nothing else in that box. All right. Nice thick bag. And ta-da! Here she is. xTool F2. You can hold it with one hand, not super heavy. It's a little smaller than I was thinking, but that's okay. It looks perfect. So, we've got some packing tape on here to hold something. I don't know what. We're going to get that off of there so that we can open her up and see what else is in there. There's like some more foam stuff, and I'm sure that the engraving plate is in there. And probably some other stuff. One piece of tape. Oof, that was loud. Oh no. Well, don't pull it from that side. What I did there, I tried to pull it up and I'm ripping my sticker off. Probably ought to keep that sticker on there. So I'm going to go from the other side to make sure that I don't rip the sticker off. The sticker's got some important information on it. It's got my model number, power consumption and all of that. Or not consumption, but input power. It says that it's a class 4 laser product. It's got the wavelength of 445 plus or minus 15 nanometers to 1064 plus or minus 5 nanometers, and then 655 plus or minus 5 nanometers. It's gibberish to me. All right. Now we got, there's a stop button right there. Let's see. Got another piece of tape with an arrow on it. Probably ought to pull that off. It's not really tape, but it is. Got it. This sticker here says, before use, rotate to reset the stop button. I think I'm going to leave that on there. And let's see, this side has another one of those pieces of tape. And then we have a sticker with some instructions, or yeah, telling you how to raise and lower the laser head, how to pause it, start the process, perform the last process. Okay. We're going to go ahead and take that. We'll leave it on there for now. All right, so now we will. Oh. All right, now we got some more foam in here. Yep, I got our engraving plate. And then, let's see here. This is a couple of different pieces of foam. Oh. There's stuff in there. So don't just start throwing this stuff away once you pull it out. Let's see. Nothing else in that one. So this is the L bracket with the 2 thumb screws. This is a piece of 1/4 inch or 6mm black acrylic. Nice. And there's a there's a protector on the laser lens, and it has this little, there we go, maybe. That didn't work, did it? Oh well. It just says pull down the protector, and I'm gonna leave this thing on here. That way, if I got the protector on there, I know that I got to take it off before I can actually start making anything, engraving or cutting or whatever it may be. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that protector back on there for now. All right, well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. We've gotten part of it done. We got it opened up. And well, yeah, we just got it opened up for now. Next time, we're going to get it all set up and see what we can do.